How's it going, friends? How are you? Welcome, everyone and friends, to my channel, because you've clicked at just the right time and moment to enjoy this new video presentation. Thank you for being here. All right, guys, right here we have an iPhone. We're definitely going to try to unlock it or block it for all networks. In this case, this iPhone is updated to its latest software version, iOS 18.3. It was released today. So we're going to unlock it with some cards. In this case, an MKSD Ultra and an RSIM Cloud and a Heicard. So we're going to use them. To do that, I'm going to check that this iPhone is locked. Let's put the SIM card in now. Perfect. We need to wait the device to detect it. And here it is. And here is the software version. We need to click continue. And we should see the message saying invalid SIM card. Here is the lock message. Here is the lock message. He attempted it once more. Again, so you can clearly see there's undoubtedly no trick. And here it is. No. Well, the device is locked. I want to apologize a little because I'm doing everything with one hand. So for obvious reasons, it's going to be really hard for me to do it. Able to do it. All good. Perfect. In this case, I'm going to try first what is Heicard. Let's place it in its tray. Let's carefully put the SIM card in. Ready? This is the difficult part, guys. To be able to do everything with one hand in a seamless, convenient, and effortlessly efficient manner, ensuring complete readiness and preparedness. No. This is super, super, super difficult. I'm going to try it again. Ready. Ready. It's not very difficult. It's really hard. For me, very hard, very hard. Ready? I'm going to place it here. Ready? We have to wait for it to be detected. The equipment. Here is the menu. In this case, let's wait again. Ready? Here is the menu. In this case, I'm going to select option number 3, which is auto mode. The original company of the iPhone, in this case, T-Mobile. And we have to hit accept. We hope the card does its job. We turned off the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is already off. It's now free. Let's check that everything is working correctly. The internet is working very well. Magnificent. Now, the calls are being tested. Where limbo goes, girl, girl, and girl, and Marana, white of. It came in well. Perfect. It worked well with the hey, sorry. It worked well with the Ultra, MKS. Now, let's try with the racing club. It's tough doing everything one-handed. Excuse me? But I'm doing my best. Perfect. Good. Now we're going to try it. Now I'm going to try the racing club. We're going to place it in its tray. I'm going to place it in its tray. I'm going to put the SIM card in. Perfect. All right. I'm going to place it in the iPhone tray. It's slightly more challenging. It's a bit difficult. All right. We need to wait for the menu to appear. Good. In this case, this device is an iPhone XR. The iPhone XR with Intel processor is programmed with option number 1, while the iPhone XR with Qualcomm processor uses option 4. This option 4 is for Espring and Verizon devices, and option number 1 is for T-Mobile and AT&T. And I'm going to choose option number 1, the original company of the iPhone, and USAT Mobile. And accept. We need to wait to do job. It's job on the card. Perfect. It's done. We need run tests with the internet. Magnificent. Let's test the internet one more time. Perfect. And we're going to run a test of calls such as incoming and outgoing. Magnificent. Magnificent. It sounded good. I'm going to take out the phone tray. This was an RSIM club, the one that was tested. Now we're going to test a Heicard. Same procedure. We're putting in the tray with the card, and we're going to put in the sync card. Perfect. All right. Now, we need to place the tray in the iPhone. Perfect. Ready? Ready? So here, on this device, on this card, I'm going to select option number 1. And the company that works best for me in this case is Metro PCS. Perfect. And accept it. It has always worked better for me with Metro PCS. Always. If I use T-Mobile, it doesn't work for me. This can be done because the companies have a certain similarity in terms of their specific network aspects, and so that's why we can therefore do it this way. Don't have internet. So to recover it, we go into settings, cellular network. Ready? Let's see if there's internet now. No. Okay. So to fix it, we're going to go into network selection. Let's turn off the automatic setting. Let's wait for them to show up here. The companies or the carriers From our country, we're to choose the one from the SIM card we're putting in or installed. It's clear. Installed in the device. Internet, installing in the device. In this case, it's clear. Let's see now if we have internet. Not yet. Okay. So let's go back and go into SIM applications, and we're going to select the last option, which is clock on it, to boost the signal, so to speak. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it works now perfectly. We paid for the Wi-Fi. And perfect, there's the signal. Now, we need to test the internet. Perfect. Once again, a different page. Perfect. Now, a call. The end of the year decision regarding the L-band and the law. Well, I didn't doubt it, seeing the world. Magnificent. Everything worked perfectly. Now, guys, if you want to know what the original carrier of your iPhone is, I'll leave a link in the description at the bottom of the video so you can find out how to check your iPhone's carrier. Check if it appears on the blacklist or reported, and check if it has iCloud. I'm going to leave it down there in the video description so you can find that tutorial and know how to do it. I'm also going to leave you a tutorial video where you're going to learn how to recover the signal on the iPhone if it's not picking up data or signal. So I'll leave you at the bottom of the video how to recover the signal, and I'll also leave you a link to a video so you can know how to unlock it. In all models of the iPhone 6, 7, 8, and all the other models too, I'll leave a link below in the video so you can check that tutorial in the description and learn how to do it as well, right? And there are also the links for WhatsApp and Telegram in case you want to be part of this lovely community. Well, that's all for today, guys. See you. Take care. Until next time. Bye.